tight. So if your home right now, if you have a home that's ran and you see a lot of little black rings, that's the Zurn pipe that they're using on your plumbing system. And this is another tool. This is a tool to gauge. Once you've crimped that ring on there, you just put that tool, and if it goes over it, the size that you need, this is 1/2 inch. And if the 1/2 inch goes over fairly clear, you know that you've made a nice connection. See, that's it. So you know that it squeezed itself down.